Here is the reading for August 5, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 753 screen signals. The window added 9 net signals. Material added 3, intelligence shared 1, network added 6 and diversity added 1. About 25.1 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 148, intelligence for 15, network 101, and diversity 89. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. Read the stack from the ground up. Etched's $10.3 billion bet on inference-only silicon in material. HappyRobot raises $150 million to automate enterprise operations in intelligence, and Tencent opens HY3 globally across products and cloud in network. The source level pressure point is marked concentrating. In the window, operational intelligence is moving from human coordination to machine execution, and the advantage will accrue to whoever controls that layer first. That becomes progress only when people receive better service, workers gain useful leverage, and access widens beyond the owners. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 44 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 114. Diversity is concentrating and network is concentrating. A balanced score does not answer whether the movement is useful to people. Watch whether rules are visible, workers can challenge them, customers benefit, and practical agency moves beyond the owners. Today's discipline is to connect capability to consequence. Name who is better served, whose work becomes more capable, who can challenge the system, and whether the benefit travels beyond the owners. If the evidence ends at funding or a benchmark, the headline has outrun accountability and its human consequence. For the detailed source-by-source Cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.